Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Viewers, we have already discussed that what is Majlis. What is Majlisul Aqd, session of contract. After discussion, after discussing the Majlis al-Aqd, now the important topic is Khiyar al-Majlis, option of session. It is translated in Islamic literature, Khiyar al-Majlis, that option of session or option in session. بعد تمام العقد بالإيجاب والقبول. So خيار المجلس, the concept is being discussed here in this topic. It is asking about that offer and acceptance has been done and the contract has been completed. Now, after the execution of the contract, completion of the contract, whether parties to contract have option of session, खियार मजलिस, they have or not. तो इसका मतलब यहाँ पर हम ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि जो खियार मजलिस है, अक्द मुकम्मल हो गया, ईजाब कबूल हो गया, तो क्या ईजाब कबूल के बाद जब अक्द मुकम्मल हो जाए तो फरीकैन के पास इख्तियार बाकी होता है कि वो अक्द से वापस अपने इख्तियार होता है कि वो अक्द से मुड़ सकें, या ऑफरर कहना चाहे कि मैं नहीं ऑफर देता, या एक्सेप्टेंस करने वाला कहे कि मैं अपने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैंसिल करता हूँ, तो क्या उनके पास ये इख्तियार बाकी है। और जब हम कहते हैं कि खियार मजलिस है, तो खियार मजलिस मीन द सेशन हैज नॉट बीन एक्सपायर्ड, स्टिल पार्टीज आर देयर, they are not separate after the concluding the contract, whether they have option to cancel the contract. So this is the actually debate in this in this video clip we will discuss. So let's define that what is the khiyar al-majlis. Khiyar al-majlis, right of contracting parties to withdraw his offer or acceptance. It means that offer withdraw with his offer, and the acceptance party will want to withdraw their acceptance. In session of contract, after the completion of the offer and acceptance, is known as khiyar al-majlis of parties. Offerer, he said that I sold it to you. The other party said, I accepted, I bought it to you. Now, after offer and acceptance, Islamic law says that now the contract has been executed, and if after this, is it permissible for a seller to cancel the contract or the buyer to cancel the contract? So still both parties are there, they exist and they did not separate. So this is the case. About this, there are two views. First view is Hanbali and Shafi. These two school of thought says that one of contracting parties have a right if one withdraw one's offer or acceptance in majlis. It means that seller and the buyers both secures the right to cancel the contract if they did not separate and still they are here in the session. दिस इज द व्यू ऑफ हम्बली एंड शाफी स्कॉलर्स। यानी ये शाफी और हम्बली ये कहते हैं कि जनाब अभी तक उसके पास ये इख्तियार बाकी है, अगर वो चाहे तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को कैंसिल कर लें, और अगर वो चाहे तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को जो है वो जो भी चाहे, सेलर चाहे या बायर चाहे, दोनों के पास ये राइट है। अगर जुदा होने से पहले पहले वो अगर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को कैंसिल करना चाहते हैं तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज द बेसिक व्यू ऑफ हम्बली एंड शाफी, दैट both parties have secured the right to cancel the contract and they have option of cession. And they get the evidence from hadith that is narrated by Hazrat Abdullah ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He says that anna Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam qala al-mutabayyi'an kullu wahid minhuma bil khiyar ala sahibihi ma lam yatafarraqa illa bil khiyar. So Hazrat Abdullah ibn Umar narrated that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, everyone from the seller and the buyer have the right of option until they separate. So here in this hadith, the main word that is the focus of this hadith, that is ma lam yatafarraqa, until they separate. So according to Hanbali and Shafi school, they say that Hazrat Abdullah ibn Umar said that this was the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, practice, and that until they separate. the parties used to have the right of cancellation of the contract. So that is why we say that the buyer and the seller both secures the right of option and cession, that if they want to cancel the contract, they can cancel until they separate, before their separation. So the jurist focus here in the words of hadith, the word that is the focus on ma lam yatafarraqa. That what is the meaning of this word ma lam yatafarraqa? So actually, the main point of difference of opinion among the jurists is this word ma lam yatafarraqa. Oh, let's see. What is the opinion of the jurist about this interpretation of this word? Hanbali and Shafi scholars says that the meaning of ma lam yatafarraqa is physical separation. If according to this concept, they say that if after after the sale contract, seller and the buyer are still there and they are together, so it means that they did not physically separate and the session is continued. So if any one of them want to cancel the contract, then we will say that this is they have still the session is continued, and the no party can every party from the seller and the buyer, they have option to cancel the contract. So this is the first view of Hanbali school and Shafi'i school. Let's see what is the next opinion of the other school. The second opinion is Hanafis and Malikis. They we explain the Hanafis this second opinion in next clip. So please watch the next one.